ask me what's your name is.
My name is Hoa.
So your name is Hoa.
Right.
Where you come from, Hoa?
I come from province.
Nam Định province.
Right.
How long have you been here, Hoa?
I've been here 2 years.
2 years.
Right.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I do. I miss them very much.
Very much.
Right.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family every week.
Every week.
Right.
Who do you usually go with?
I usually go home alone.
Alone?
Right.
How do you usually go home?
I usually go home by coach.
By coach?
Right.
How much does it cost you to go home by coach?
It costs me about $70,000 to go home by coach.
70,000?
Right.
How far is it from here to the house?
It's about 90 kilometers from here to my house.
90 kilometers.
Right.
How long does it take you to get there?
It takes me about 10 minutes to get there.
10 minutes.
Right.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, my 2 sisters, and dad.
Your father, your mother, your 2 sisters, your brother, and you?